Alrighty guys, we are here on a brand new 2022 HCB 53 Suenos, guys. This boat is absolutely beautiful. As you guys that have been watching the channel know, this has been a dream boat of mine for a very long time, and today I actually get to be on one and film a video for you guys. Client is on the way right now, but before, I'm going to get a couple of B-roll shots of this boat, and I'm going to take it out for a sea trial, and we're going to get great drone footage of this boat. I'm like speechless, guys, honestly. I don't even know what to say. This is just a dream come true being on this boat. But we're here to do a job, so let's get to work. These things make no noise whatsoever for being V12s. It's amazing. Alright guys, we're heading out to give this baby a sea trial. And it's a little bit choppy today, but nothing this boat can't handle. If my sea hunt can handle it, imagine this, guys. It's just absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. These engines, they don't move side to side because they're so big, but the bottom shaft is the side that moves. Very new technology. Now we're gonna test this boat out. We're gonna go a little bit offshore and see how she handles out there. It's incredible how quiet these things are. That's the one thing I'm the most amazed at. Like, it turns on a dime. It does not turn like a 53-foot boat at all. As you guys see, this is an extra dry ride boat right here, guys. Crazy how my boat would have been jumping out of the water, props out of the water, and this thing's just stable. These are about 3-foot, 4-foot waves out here. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but this thing is handling like a champ. It's amazing how this boat, we're in about 3 to 4 foot waves out here, and eating it like nothing, guys. Of course, there's no question that this boat has a seakeeper on, because look at these big rollers. We're sideways with the waves right now, and we're not moving whatsoever. Very minimal roll. This boat is absolutely amazing, guys. Look at this dive door, how big it is. That's what I call a dry ride right there. I'm literally standing on the edge right now, breaking these waves and like nothing, man. Now guys, the most important part, to see if the boat actually fits behind the customer's house, because this is not a little boat, so we got to make sure it fits. This thing takes up a lot of space, so we're gonna figure it out. And this guy, that's why he gets paid the big bucks. This is the man right here, guys.
This one is wider on the back.
That's fine. He wants to show you the harder one.
I want to give props to Captain Roger for pulling a whole U-turn with no room for error. He was then able to back up all the way out of the channel. We were able to head back to our starting point. I want to take a quick second to thank Iggy, American Yachts, and of course HCB Yachts for the opportunity to make this video. Now, for the end of the video, don't go anywhere. I got some more epic drone shots to show you guys.
Alright guys, we're back here. This was an amazing experience to be on a dream boat, basically. It drives like a dream. And guys, you already know, if you like this video, I'm going to also put in the link Iggy's information. And I'm also going to put the dealer's information for any of you guys that are interested in this boat or getting something like this. You guys can contact him. But yeah, guys, just make sure you like, subscribe, and there's a lot of big things coming in this channel, so you guys are going to have to stay tuned, all right? Here we go.